Hello friends, and thank you for watching the BibleFlix. This is Zuzu, and today we're reading from the Beginnersbible, Timeless Children's Stories by ZonderKidz. Today's story is on Boy King Josiah, 2 Kings 22, verse 1 through 23 and 3. A boy named Josiah became the king of Judah when he was only 8 years old. Josiah loved God. Many bad kings have ruled before him. The temple in Jerusalem had started to crumble. People had not worshipped there for many years. King Josiah decided to fix it up. He wanted his people to worship God in the temple again. So King Josiah hired workers to repair it. One day, as the men were working, a priest found a scroll hidden in the wall. The priest showed the scroll to the king. It was the book of the law. King Josiah called everyone together. Then he read them God's laws. The people all made a promise to each other and to God. We will always obey God's laws. That is all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like our videos. If you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and come back and subscribe. I'll see you next time.